Alright, so these are the counts we're going to be looking at, and I'm going to accelerate hard on a road test here and see what we see. Already I feel a surge, and I can see that the misfire counts are going up, and it seems like it's only in cylinder number 3. So what I have done is I have brought with me some tools, and I'm going to swap spark plug number 3 with spark plug number 1. Now, I could swap it with anybody else, but what I want us to realize here is I had no idea it would do this. Matter of fact, a lot of times there are a lot of other things that could contribute to a surging like I felt there. It was an in and out of power. It wasn't really jerky. It's almost as if somebody was feathering the throttle. But I look down now and I see this. I'm pretty concerned as to why one would feel that way. So I'm going to see if I move ignition coil 3 to cylinder 4 and spark plug 3 to cylinder 2. And we'll see what we see. All right, hold on.